beautifully helped. Clever batting from a young man. He's on a roller coaster journey, and at the moment, upward trajectory. In the deep.
Yeah, they often give Stokes the first and the 7th over. They reckon those are historically the overs that perhaps go for the least number of runs. The first over because teams are starting to try and just get their eye in, and then the over after the power play is often a quiet over as well, and that's why they try and give Stokes, the 5th bowler, those 2 overs.
Continuing to operate on a shorter length as Ben Stokes. They're the dimensions that you think will be utilised most often from the bowling units. Getting it into... No signal, just the square leg saying it's 1 for the over, but no wide.
Good carry though, wasn't it? The groundsman, we had a long chat with him yesterday, and he said by MCG standards this is quite a hard pitch, and that he's managed to get it hard despite. So watch out later on for the 4 Pakistan quicks.
Advances and gets a reasonable contact. Indeed, it just plugs. Good fielding from Chris Jordan. No surprise here from the intent of this young man. I don't think England will be too fussed. They'll feel like they're in the game here.
Deep and save a load of runs. Phil Salt there.
Even match-up between pace and spin, economy-wise, here at the Melbourne Cricket Ground. Single there. Yeah, T20 cricket around the world in the league. It's brought a new dimension to the cricketing landscape.
Just to answer your question, Kelly, now the fielder on the boundary has come in another 5 yards. So
3 in a row went for 2 off Adil Rashid, and now it's just singles. So a nice adjustment.